Hello everyone, if you're considering using the Appraisal Tagger, this is how to use it. Pick a file, it must be in a Word document format. Choose the Appraisal Tagger theory and click Analyze. It's going to start analyzing, as you can see in the progress bar. After it is done analyzing, you will find it automatically downloaded as the name of your file, then processed. When you check that file, you will find that appraisal instances are formatted with a new color, and it is with the color of the system itself. If you go to the very end of your document, you will find category word appearance summary, and that every attitude instance was in green, every engagement instance was in blue, and every graduation instance is in red. Now, what if I want to isolate that? I don't want them in text. I want to see them isolated. I want to put that in tables. What can I do? If you go back to the LinkedIn post, you will find a link to an Excel file. Go to this Excel file, which you can download from File, download Microsoft Excel. Go to the file, and you will find three sheets or 3 tabs in the workbook. The first one is where you're going to put your tags. The second one will automatically generate the tables, and the third one will automatically generate the figures. So what you need to do is the following. Go to the downloaded Word document and enable editing. Go to the first subsystem and then select all text with similar formatting. And so it's going to select everything that is with the formatting of the same color, which is in green. Copy that, go to the Excel file, to the tags sheet, and from the very first cell, you're going to paste. And so you will find that every instance is pasted in a separate row in the first column. Go to the very end, you can use the shortcut of Control down. Just remove that one, which is the occurrences count, and do the same thing for engagement and graduation. So every engagement is in blue. I'll just go click there, select text with similar formatting, copy, go to the Excel file, paste, go to the very end, delete that cell, which is the count. Do the same thing for graduation. Click there, select text with similar formatting, copy, go to the Excel file, paste, go to the very end, remove the number of occurrences. Now, as you can see here, I have in this document a total of 1,156 lines. Each of these lines are tagged with the system and the subsystems. You will find that the tables are generated automatically. Please note that it will count whatever is in the column A only. And please note that the number of tagged resources would not be the same number of the lines because some of these words are tagged with multiple subsystems. You will find that based on these tables, the figures are automatically generated. Please note that the tool does not tag monoglossic clauses, and you need to do that yourself, as monoglossic clauses are clauses that have no engagement at all. What if you want to see the breakdown of these tags? Another thing that you can do, and I will add it in a new sheet here, is that if you copy these tags and add it to the sheet, what you can do is that you can put them or you can make that into a new table. If you go to data, text to columns, delimited, choose other, and put that as tab. Also choose the semicolon, click next, finish. You will find that it is going to be a new table that you can check yourself easily. That is on how to use the Appraisal Tagger, extract the tags, and generate the tables and figures.